Hey everyone, this is February, and we all know one amazing thing about the month February, yes? Okay, so Valentine's Day is around the corner, and guess what? People are spending big on gifts, especially custom t shirts. Okay, so this is the perfect time to make an extra cash by designing and selling Valentine's t shirts online. Okay, so even if you have zero design skills, in this video, I'll take you step by step on how to create eye-catching designs, and I will show you where to sell them. So let's dive in. With this video, let's go to marketplaces and check different designs on t-shirts. Okay, so let's start with Amazon. Okay, so we'll go to Amazon and we'll type in Valentine t-shirt designs. Okay, so let's search and see what it will give us. So we can see different designs. This is lovely love. Okay, so you can see this. This is an ash color having the image of love. So we can see that all these are going for $19. This is going for $31. This is going for love, $29. So we can see all these designs on the Valentine. We can see this. So we'll go ahead and try out this design. You can see they're just simple designs, nothing so complicated or so sophisticated. So we'll go over to Etsy and also see other designs on Valentine t-shirts. So let's go over to Etsy right now. So moving on to Etsy, we can see all these designs. Love You More. This one is having Love You More. Okay, this one is a retro Valentine's Day. Okay, Valentine's hat. It is not me, it is you. Okay, this one is having I wouldn't deport your baby. This is an image of Trump saying I wouldn't deport your baby. Uh, okay, so these books are my love language. I love that. This one says sorry my girls. Sorry girls, my mom is my Valentine. So we can see different designs of Valentine here right now. And you can see that most of them are going for high prices. This is going for $13. Okay. So you have your two sweets. Your two sweets. You have this a dinosaur carrying a hat. So, Mr. Steal Your Hat. So we're having amazing designs, and you know one good thing about this that these designs can be easily carried out just in the corner of your room, and you have your destined money rolling into your account. All you just need is to design this, and you link it up with one of the Printify. This right now, this person has made 38 sales of this design, and you can see it's just a simple design. And this person has made 55 sales. Okay, this is just three sales. This is 43 sales. Okay, so you can see that these are just simple designs. All you just need is a little bit of creativity, and you're smiling to the bank. This is 60 sales, and this is okay. So to proceed with this right now, I'll go to one of my favorite shop, that's Amazon Merch on Demand. Okay, so you can see I'm on Amazon Merch on Demand. I'll still do a video on this to show on how to open an account with Amazon Merch on Demand. So with this, I'll go ahead to create. You can see this is my dashboard. I have an account with them. So I click on create. So clicking on create would give you this thing. You come over here and you click on okay, click on create, and it brings you here. So you can see for you to have these are t-shirts design, and all you need to do right now is just to click on select product. But before we go ahead to select product, let's do our design. Now to do our design, we have to see the features. So you can see PNG format. So it has to be on a PNG format, and the dimension is as large as possible. That's a 4,500 pixel. So take note of this. 4,500 pixel or more will give you the most flexibility. Okay, so let's go over to Canva right now and start designing t-shirts. So we are here on Canva. Now we'll go ahead and click on custom size. Okay, so remember it's on pixel and the size is 4.5, sorry, 4,500 for the weight. So if you're using Printify to do this print on demand or to do your mockup, you can just come over to t-shirt design here. Okay, so you click on t-shirt design and you go ahead, you go over to designs. So this will give you, okay, let's be specific, Valentine design, Valentine. So t-shirt design. So you can see that even with this, you're not having much to stress on. Like I said, if you have a zero design or zero skills in design, you don't have to stress yourself. All you just need is to pick one of this design and you go ahead and mock this up. Okay, let's print with Canva, and you have this. So this is exactly one of the designs you see on Etsy. Okay, so if you look at this, this is one of the designs we have on Etsy. Let's change the color. Change the color. So we can see this on white. This design on white. You can see this design on ash. It should be ash. Okay, so we can set this on there should be a navy blue right now. Okay, this is a blue, and this is a red, black. Okay, so we can just decide to dwell on this. Let's still look for extra design. Let's get another design. So you can just go ahead and come here, pick up any of these designs, and you have your Valentine t-shirt ready. Okay, so this is just a lovely simple design. I guess I love this. I go ahead and have a preview of this. Let's have a preview of this. Okay, so you can see the back is not having any design. Let's check it on different colors. It won't look good on red. Okay, I love this. White, fine. This is the color of Valentine. Okay, so let's go back and look for more designs. So you can just decide to come here and pick this. Pick any of this, and you have your t-shirt design ready, and you go ahead and mock this up. But let's be a little creative. So let's still look at this. Look at this. No, print mock this up right now. Choose a black t-shirt. Okay, so we can set this on this black t-shirt. For the white is not coming out properly. Let's check this. Okay, so let's go ahead right now and create ours. So we'll replicate what is already existing. So I won't be using this. I'll go over to my desktop now. I'll customize the size. Okay, so let's custom. So click on customize size. I will click on, we have this 4,500 for the width and 5,400 for the height. Remember in pixels, so we'll go ahead and click on create design, and we'll go over to start designing. Okay, so this is our Canva right now, our working space. So we'll go over to designs, we'll click on design. Okay, so click on design and you type in Valentine's Day t-shirts. So you can see different designs on Valentine Day. And looking at this will just, if you decide to just pick any of this will give you exactly what you have in Etsy. Okay, let's take any of this. Let me change this. Give it a different color. Let's try giving it a black. And I go over to design. Okay, and I put this here. Okay, this is having a white. Let's try giving it a black. So we can say that. Now let's go over to Etsy and see if we have this similar design here. So you can see that this is exactly as close to that design. And if you scroll further, I will check Amazon. Let's check Amazon right now. So looking at Amazon, you can see that this is having different or similar design to the one we've already picked out. So So you can see it's just a little bit of your creativity, not even taking much of your creativity. So let's go back to our design right now. You can now decide to just zoom this out to make it a little larger. Zoom it out, move this to the middle. Let's go and work this up and see what it will look like. We'll just try different designs to see that we'll save this. So to save this, like we saw, download in PNG form. Then you come over here, make sure it's on transparent background. Okay, so if you don't click on transparent background, it will not reflect very well in your design. So we'll download right now. So we'll come over to Amazon Merch on Demand. Now we'll click on select product. Okay, so this is different products. So we'll go for this V-neck. I will click on continue. So click on continue. And this is a V-neck active. Click on edit details. Okay, so here you are, or here we are. We start editing, or we upload our design. So let's try uploading our design. Click on this open, and you see it uploading. So the design is uploading. So we can see our design, just as simple as this. Okay, so this is our design. You can decide to leave this way. Okay, so this is just as simple as it is. Nothing much. You don't have to break your head. Okay, so you can just set to make a simple design. Go and you go to Canva, you pick any of this, or you can decide to customize your own design so that you won't have similar to what is already existing. So we have different colors. You can get this in different color. Not so good in the sky blue. Okay, this is a black, fine on black. Fine. The ash not so good for me. I don't think. Okay, I love this on the distant green. Okay, so I guess I love it here. Let's try pink. So you decide to choose on any of the colors. You go for any of the colors. So you can see colors availability. So these are the colors available for this particular design or that. That said, let's go ahead and create our own design. Okay, we'll come back. We'll go to element. You can see this hat. I got this hat from element. Okay, I zoomed this out, fill up my Canva with the hat. Make sure you fill it up so that your design won't be too empty or too scanty. So just split it out and fill it up. So back to element, I pick up the hat and you see the image of the girl and the boy, a symbol of love. All this I got from element. Okay, so just pick up this different designs and put them together. So you can see the three dots or the dots, different dots. So just spice it up with the different dots, with different colors. So we'll still go back to element. We pick up the Valentine. You can see the Valentine right of Valentine's Day. So all I just did is to rotate and changed the color. So give it different color, copy paste, just fill up my Canva. So you can see I'm rotating the vertical, giving it a kind of cross shape or cross design. It's crossing. Okay, so this is just to add up to what is already existing, the design already existing, just your creativity. So just keep being creativity, change the colors. Okay, I copied, paste, change the colors, gave it different colors just to fill up the Canva so that when you mock it up on a t-shirt, it won't look too scanty. Okay, so keep changing the colors, giving it different colors. Okay, move it down here. Okay, so with this, we just keep adding up the Valentine's Day. And this is going to give it a different design entirely. In fact, it will come out lovely, come out beautiful, outstanding, and our workspace will be filled up. So we'll go ahead and download right now. Okay, so with no PNG, it has to be a PNG. and you click on transparent background. Always make sure you click on transparent background. So we'll come over here to mock it up right now. So we'll click on drag design, and we'll go over to our desktop and upload. Wow, this is looking lovely. I love this. And the one amazing thing about this design is looking good on all the colors. In fact, on the red is lovely, black is lovely. In all the colors, it's appearing lovely. So I go ahead and so we'll go ahead right now and post this on Amazon Marketplace. That is, with this you can go to. That said, let's go ahead and post this on Amazon Marketplace right now. Okay, so still on Amazon Merch on Demand. All you need is to write the title, the design title. As you can see, I gave it Valentine Best. I gave it my brand name, Annie's Wood. You go ahead, you write the feature. Okay, so once you write the feature, you just need something simple. So you click on publish. Now this is already published. You confirm your product. Now you can see that this is already in marketplace. So this will not be published immediately on Amazon Prime. After one day it will come live. You can see other products I have there, they are live, because this ones, they are over one day, they have verified their products. Okay, so let's try extra one design right now. So we'll go back to elements, pick the dinosaur with a hat. Okay, this is lovely, and we have something similar to this on Etsy. Okay, so you can see the dinosaur having a hat. The only thing is that this dinosaur is green and we can't change the color. So you pick, still on LMS, you just pick this collection of hats. Okay, so you just fill up your Canva. Like I said earlier, if your Canva is canty, it will make the design on the t-shirt canty. So just make sure that your design is, your workspace is filled up, just to make your design much more attractive by the time you mock it up. So we'll go ahead right now and download this PNG and transparent background. So we'll come here and we'll mock this up. Wow, I love this. This is lovely. Okay, and one good thing I love about this is working, or is coming out lovely on different t-shirt colors. Wow, the pink is lovely, black, wow, superb. I love this. I love this. I love this. So this is another wonderful Valentine's Day design. Okay, so if you have come this far in this video, why don't you like this video, share, click on the share button, like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting topic on this, or how to produce t-shirts, passive income ideas. And in my next video I'll be teaching how to start an Amazon page on demand and earn passive income, creating different t-shirts design or creating different products on your Amazon Merch on Demand account.